What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the full screen caller ID on the Truecaller app. I'm going to open up the Truecaller app here, and on the upper left click on your profile there, then scroll down a bit and go to the settings, then go to calls, and if you look here you have the caller ID. It's currently set to the classic pop-up, which you can see from the imagery there how it looks. So you can just simply change it to the full screen caller ID. Right, you don't have to even set it as default the app, so you can just choose not now for now. But if you want to, just simply go ahead and say set as default, and you can choose it for that specific app, and you can just set it as default, whichever one you want. Right, so that's how you can easily switch that. So I would recommend, if you're using the Truecaller, you want to set it as default. It makes it super easy to use all the other features there. And of course, there are certain features within the app that requires you to have premium or more upgraded account that will enable and give you a greater experience with the application. So yeah, you can go ahead and switch that to the full screen caller ID if you so desire.